Hi all. In this session, we are going to talk about the API monetization feature in WSO2 API Platform. The API monetization feature includes several core components working together. This includes APIs, subscription plans, pricing models, and the API developer portal. So a subscription plan has a pricing model attached to it. The pricing model can be usage-based or fixed rate. You attach the subscription plan to an API. Once the API is ready, you publish the API to the developer portal. Then the consumers of your API can access the API through the developer portal. They can subscribe to the API using a given subscription plan, pay the particular amount based on the pricing model, and start using the API. In addition to this, the consumers can monitor their billing usage through the developer portal interface. Now let us look at a walkthrough of the API monetization feature in WSO2 API Platform. The first step is to configure Stripe for your organization. So log into the WSO2 API Platform console and head over to the organization. And then in the left menu, click on Admin. Then click Settings. Here, select the Credentials tab and then choose the Stripe credentials. Here, enter your Stripe secret key and the Stripe publishable key obtained from the Stripe dashboard. And then click Save. So now you have successfully configured Stripe for your organization. The next step is to create subscription plans. For that, head over to the Subscription Plans tab and then click on Create. So here you can enter your subscription plan name and the plan description. And then you can set the rate limiting amount for the subscription. And then finally you come to the pricing model. So these are the pricing models that we support in the API platform. You can have a free subscription, a flat or a fixed rate pricing model, or per unit, or different volume or graduated tier based pricing. So for this example, I'll use flat rate pricing model and I will set the currency as USD, and the billing period for this pricing model will be monthly. And I will add the flat rate model as $12. And now I will create this subscription plan. So now this plan is successfully created in your organization. So next, we attach the subscription plan to an API. For that, head over to Overview and select the project that you have an API created. I have already created an API in this project, so I will use that API. Go into that API view and then in the left menu, click Manage. Here, select the Monetize menu. Then here you can see the list of available subscription plans in your organization. So here you can see the newly created subscription plan. Now I will toggle this button to enable this subscription plan to this API. Now the subscription plan is enabled for this API. Next, we can publish this API to the developer portal. For that, head over to the Lifecycle menu and then click on the Publish button. And now I will publish this API. Now, if you go to the developer portal and if you list down your APIs, here you now will be able to see the newly published API in the developer portal. Next, when an API consumer logs into the developer portal, they can go to the API listing page and see the published APIs. So now the API consumer needs to subscribe to this API to consume this API. So now let me subscribe to this API. So here under subscription plans, you can see the newly created subscription plan and the pricing of that plan. So I will use this plan to create a subscription to a given application. Since I don't have an application at the moment, I can create an application from here. So now my application is created and now I can subscribe to that application through this plan. So now you can see the checkout page for that subscription plan with the particular pricing model. So here I can enter my payment details and then proceed to subscribe to the API by confirming the payment. So as you can see, my payment was successful and now I am subscribed to the API. The consumers can now use the API. In addition to the payment and checkout feature, the consumers can view and monitor their billing usage. For that, they can head over to the top right corner menu and click on Billing. Here, they can see a summary of their billing usage and the list of billed APIs. And they can also see their invoices for each payment, the list of billed subscriptions for that particular user, as well as the payment details. So, this is the entire flow of the API monetization feature in WSO2 API Platform. Thank you.